Hello friend, welcome to Rajni 007 Maths tutorial. Today I am going to discuss how to insert a fraction between fraction. If two fraction is given, how we can insert one more fraction between them. कैसे insert कर सकते हैं दो fraction के बीच के में तीसरा fraction. Let's see what is the rule for that. See first question. Insert fraction one fraction between 2 by 5 and 4 by 7. What we will do, we will simply 2 by 5 plus what is here number is there 4 by 7, simply do it the plus with them and write it like this. 2 by 5, whatever the next fraction is there, numerator and denominator, we will add in this way and we can insert the one more fraction between them. What will be the final value? 6 by 12, 4 by 7, and after in lowest form it will come the 1 by 2 be inserted between the 2 by 5 and 4 by 7. So in this way you can insert one fraction. Let's see if you have to insert more than two fraction between the two fraction. What is the process for that? Let's see. Insert, we have to insert three fraction between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. What we will do first, we apply this rule. 5 by 7, 5 plus 9, 7 plus 11 by 9 by 11. It will come finally 5 by 7, 14 by 18, 9 by 11, and after doing simplest form it will come 7 by 9, 9 by 11. So now we have inserted one fraction between them. Next, two more fraction we have to insert. What we will do next? We take these three together. 5 by 7, 5 plus 7, we will see these two fraction only. 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 9. To insert 7 by 9 we will write like that only. Then next, between those two we will apply this method. 7 by 9, next will be 7 plus 9 by 9 plus 11 and write 9. So we have inserted two fraction between them. First take the two fraction and apply the same rule whatever we have done the first previous question. We have written like this. Next take these two fraction and insert fraction among them. And now solve it. It will come finally if you do further simplification in the lowest form, final answer will be 7 by 9, 4 by 5, 9 by 11. So three fraction which we have inserted, are कौन सा हो गया 3 by 4, 7 by 9 and 4 by 5. These three fraction we have inserted between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So friends, this is the method to insert a fraction between two fraction. ये एक मेथड है आपका. दो फ्रैक्शन अगर दिए तो इंट्रोड्यूस करें. इफ़ यू वांट वन फ्रैक्शन, टू फ्रैक्शन, इन दिस वे यू कैन ऐड further how many fraction you can want to insert. You can the insert, you have to just apply this method and this way you can solve. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please like and do comment, and please subscribe my channel to get more maths video. Thank you.